So in the previous videos, I introduced the narrative composition to you, and I introduced the narrative tense that you're supposed to use, which is the past tense. All right, so in this video, I am going to focus on the past simple continuous tense. Welcome, my name is Nyarai from ZIMSEC Academy, and I'm glad that you are here. So our topic for the day is the past simple continuous tense. So let us go to our board and write it down. Okay, so it is the past tense, and we are focusing on the simple, right? We're focusing on the simple past continuous tense. All right, so the simple past continuous tense now is used now to show that whatever it is that was happening was still in its continuous, was still happening while during this event, right? So let's say, let me just give you an example so that it's easier for you to understand it. All right, so let's find another character. Okay, so let's say John was, right? Because was, right, it's in its past tense, right? Right, the verb was is in its past form, right? So John was buying the fruits when I saw him. All right. Okay, so for this to make sense, I probably need to show you the simple past form of this sentence. Are we together? All right. Okay, so have this sentence in mind. I'll come back to it. Okay, so let's say John bought fruits, right? So John bought fruit is past simple tense, right? It is the past simple tense, right? So now I want to show that John was still in the process of buying the fruits when I saw him at the market. So that is the continuous form of bought. All right. So now the sentence will read, John was buying fruits when I saw him at the market. All right. So here, for our sentence to make sense, we need was. We need the verb was plus buying, right? We always add ing to show continuous, to show that this is the continuous form. So we have John was buying fruits, right, when I saw him at the market. This sentence here, this one here, is the continuous, is the past simple continuous tense, is the past simple continuous form of the sentence, John bought fruit. So this sentence here, the one in black, shows that John was still in the process of buying the fruits when I saw him at the market. Are we together? So you also use this past simple continuous tense when you are writing your narrative composition. It's very important for you to learn all the types of sentences, all the types of tenses, sorry. So we're just doing one bit at a time. In the next video, I'm going to show you the past perfect tense. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to visit our website, ZIMSEC Academy. Thank you for watching. Till next time. If you want to learn how to use figurative language in your creative writing, in order to create pictures in the reader's mind before listening to this video, welcome. My name is Nyarai from ZIMSEC Academy.